How to find hotspot password on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Sharing your mobile data connection with other devices through a Wi-Fi hotspot can be a convenient way to provide internet access when you are on the go. So here's how you can find the password to share with others. Open Settings. Now go to the home screen of Settings. Select Connection and Sharing. Tap Personal Hotspot. And under hotspot setting, you can easily get your hotspot name as well as password. You can tap on it, and in case if you wish to edit the password or the hotspot name, you can easily tap on the cross mark and change your password and tap tick mark at top right corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can easily access this screen through the quick setting menu. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the quick setting panel. And now tap and hold on hotspot and you'll see here your hotspot name as well as password. You can tap on more button and you will again reach on the same page. And this is how you can find hotspot password on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.